Now, we'd like to introduce the Roadrunner CJ series with twin screw jacks and the CH series with hydraulic tilt. These series are specifically developed for the skid steer or 3-point hitch 30 to 50 horsepower tractors. The Roadrunner has a natural tendency to run level. The 5.5-foot skid bars, working in combination with dual grater blades, prevent dipping and gouging. The dual blades are adjustable and run at a fixed angle. This design eliminates washboarding, ruts, and potholes, and it doesn't leave windrows. It gives the operator the ability to spread and grade a wide variety of materials and aggregates. Very effective in fine grading operations. The CJ and CH series are manufactured in 6-foot and 7-foot grading widths. Easy to operate and requires little operator training. A real plus for rental yards or when operators are required to move to various types of equipment.
Run it just a little and you'll like it. Run it a little more and you will love it. Works like a little dozer to push and back drag to polish it up. Or as one operator said, with this, I can really put the New York shine and the Baltimore gloss on my work.
The Roadrunner grading blade with hydraulic tilt strut has added a new dimension to its overall level of flexibility and performance. The hydraulic tilt strut controls the leading pair of cutting edges, while the trailing pair of cutting edges is controlled by a manual screw jack. The hydraulic tilt strut allows fast and easy adjustment for varying job conditions. This design provides adjustment for slope and crown. The overall performance of the Roadrunner remains intact, and the fast and easy adjustment on the blades is accomplished in an effective and low-cost manner. As you have seen, the Roadrunner Grader Maintainer can handle a wide variety of grading assignments. Please call for the delivered price at 888-302-1022.